You've been wasting hours of time trying to find the best lighting technique. Stop, because I'm about to save you a ton of time. Welcome back to The Briefcase, the no-fluff zone to fast-track your goals. So here's the point. Let me get something out of the way. If you're a seasoned photographer or filmmaker with your 10,000 hours down pat, looking for advanced lighting tips, this ain't your stop. You guys, go ahead and paint with all the light you want. Watch 10,000 more hours of YouTube video. This is for the rest of us, the everyday creators who are a little less Spielberg and a little more, I just want to look good on camera without taking a second mortgage. All right, let's save you another 10 hours of YouTube rabbit holes about the perfect lighting setup. Here's the grand revelation. Best lighting for YouTube? It's just well lit. Not blindingly bright, not I'm filming from a cave dark, just lit. Anything else? Excuses. That's the truth bomb I'm dropping today. The best video, the one that's going to get you those sweet, sweet views, is the one with content that punches the viewer in the face. With love and insight, of course. See this? This is a light. Your job? Turn it on. Place it in front of you. Sit down. Start talking about things people care about. The end. It's not rocket science. It's just a light. Spend less time worrying about shadows and highlights, and more time crafting what's coming out of your mouth. Content is king, queen, and the entire royal court. Lighting, it's just the jester. Important for a few laughs, sure, but not the main show. And, oh, I lied about one thing. Sound, my friends. Sound matters. A lot. So what sound gear to grab? Pick up any mic that costs more than a large pizza. Anything over $50 placed not too far from your sound hole should do the trick. If you're in a pickle and your mic is just not loving you back, whip out Adobe's podcast. It's like auto-tune for your horrible room sounds. So, there you have it. Lighting, keep it simple. Content, make it king. Sound, don't skimp on it, but don't overthink it. By doing this, you're meeting the expectations of 90% of YouTube viewers. And the other 10%? We can leave them up to the cinematic geniuses and move on. Smash that like button if I just saved you at least 10 hours of that YouTube rabbit hole. Share this with your fellow creators who might still be out there searching for the holy grail of lighting setups. Hit subscribe for more myth-busting and straight-up YouTube advice. Until next time, keep your light on, your content tight, and your mic right. Follow that path. Less lit, but well heard.